Welcome back to Jessie's Chaos of Creativity. Today I'm back with a new recipe which happens to be one of my particular favorites. It is actually a Mexican street food, and as most of you might know it already, these are tacos. Tacos can be made with tortillas, handmade, or they are also available ready-made in cocktail sizes and also bigger sizes and medium sizes. So let's have a look into what we need as ingredients. Today we are going to make chicken tacos. So I have minced chicken, not really minced, they're more like diced. And I have parsley, I have broccoli, I have tomato, diced tomato and diced onions. Now these are the taco shells. These are available in Spencer's. I bought them from Spencer's, but they're very much available in other shops and of course Newmarket. We will need fresh cream and also cheese. Cheddar cheese is preferable. I mean, not preferable, it's required. In this particular recipe, there are 3 steps. First, we make the filling. Next, we make the topping. And then, we garnish it or prepare the tacos, which is the final step. We will move on to sauteing the chicken, the tomatoes, the onions and the broccoli. Next, we will add a bit of salt, as much as required. Depends on the amount of the chicken and the ingredients. And a bit of pepper, because it gives a very nice taste. I will add just a bit of the taco seasoning. The taco seasoning can be bought separately, or it was actually provided with the package of the taco shells that I bought, but they are also available separately. They are also available in a gravy form if that is what you want to purchase. So once we've done with the sauteing, we will move on to making the topping. We're done with the sauteing, so now we will keep this aside. So now we move on to the second stage, which is the topping, which I also like to call a salsa mix. So we will take the diced tomatoes and the remaining diced onions. Then we will add the rest, or not the rest because there's a lot of it given here, as much as is required of the taco seasoning. We will add fresh cream and mix it well. So now we move on to the third stage, the third step, which is the preparation of the taco shells. Now we come to the third step. You may or may not do this step. I will heat the tacos for about 10 to 15 seconds. This is something I had learned previously, but nowadays in the boxes they do not show this as part of the recipe. But still, you may do this. This might have some good effect on it. So now that we've heated the taco shells, we will fill it up with the filling and the topping. With the plating or the garnishing. So I've added lettuce leaves here, a tomato and a bit of parsley for the decoration. And there goes our 4 tacos. So on the topping I'll add a bit of cream, parsley, for the last step, I will add a bit of grated cheese. Now here goes our chicken tacos. This dish is, like I told you, a very famous Mexican street food which is available in various restaurants around the city, but it's going to cost you a lot. So now you can prepare this anytime and enjoy the delicacy at home. But an interesting fact about tacos is that you can not only prepare savories with it, you can also prepare desserts, sweet dishes. So the next video that I'm going to upload will be on how to make a sweet dish with the help of tacos. If you found this an interesting and a helpful video, please do subscribe to my channel. Do like and share the videos to your friends and family. And have